Welcome to my YouTube channel, and what we will be talking about is the car. The 2025 Ferrari V12 GTS is a masterpiece of speed and luxury, blending breathtaking performance with open-top exhilaration. Its design remains unmistakably Ferrari, with sculpted aerodynamics, aggressive front air intakes, and a sleek rear profile. The retractable hardtop roof transforms the driving experience, allowing the roar of the V12 engine to be fully appreciated. Lightweight materials and refined engineering ensure optimal handling and stability, whether on city streets or winding mountain roads. Every curve and detail of the 812 GTS is crafted for both beauty and function, making it a striking presence on the road. Inside, the cockpit is designed for pure driving pleasure, featuring premium leather, carbon fiber accents, and a driver-focused layout. The digital instrument cluster provides real-time performance data, while the central infotainment system integrates navigation, connectivity, and entertainment functions. Ferrari's signature steering wheel houses controls for driving modes, turn signals, and engine start, ensuring a seamless connection between driver and machine. The sports seats offer a perfect balance of comfort and support, making every journey an engaging experience. Sound insulation has been refined to enhance cabin acoustics, whether the roof is open or closed. Under the hood, the 812 GTS is powered by a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine, delivering an astonishing 819 horsepower and rapid throttle response. The 7-speed dual-clutch transmission enables lightning-fast gear changes, pushing the car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds. Advanced aerodynamics and four-wheel steering enhance stability at high speeds, while Ferrari's side-slip control system ensures precise handling through corners. The exhaust system is tuned for an exhilarating soundtrack, making every acceleration a symphony of power. Ferrari has crafted the 812 GTS to be more than just a supercar, it is an emotional experience. From its breathtaking speed to its luxurious details, every element is designed to deliver unmatched driving pleasure. Whether cruising along the coast or unleashing its full potential on the track, the 812 GTS offers an unforgettable ride that blends heritage, innovation, and pure exhilaration. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more such videos.